If you use a traditional productivity app, you know the main bottleneck is manual data entry. The moment you have to stop what you're doing to type out a task, you risk forgetting it entirely. To solve this, we are going to build a custom personal operating system. This is an AI-powered architecture that handles the organization for you. In this workflow, you will learn how to capture tasks using your voice, use AI to prioritize your schedule, and manage your daily health habits from one centralized hub. Before we begin, you need 3 things in place: an active deployment of your personal OS dashboard, the Telegram bot configured on your phone, and your mobile microphone permissions enabled. By moving away from a generic subscription tool to a custom build, you stop acting as a manual data entry clerk. You step into the role of an executive managing your own life. Let's start with the capture phase. You are away from your desk and a critical, time-sensitive task suddenly pops into your head. Instead of typing it out, you open the Telegram app on your phone, hold down the microphone button, and state the task clearly. In the background, OpenAI Whisper intercepts that audio file and transcribes it into text data. That text is then handed off to the AI processing node, which analyzes your words to determine the specific context, intent, and urgency of the task. By the time you get back to your computer and open your desktop CRM dashboard, the workflow is already complete. Look at this UI mockup to see how it works. On the left is your Telegram input, and on the right, a new task card appears directly on your Kanban board. You didn't type a single word. The AI auto-categorizes the entry, placing it under the correct departmental column, like business or opportunities, based on the context of your voice note. It also auto-prioritizes the schedule. By referencing your historical data, the system automatically applies a high priority tag where appropriate. Occasionally, background noise might cause a transcription error or a miscategorization. When that happens, simply drag the task into the correct column. This manual correction trains the AI for next time. Automating the capture and sorting phases removes the friction of task logging. You capture every opportunity without relying on your memory or finding the motivation to type it out. Now let's look at how you start your morning. You open your dashboard to review this fully populated AI-prioritized CRM list. Staring at a list of 200 to-do items causes analysis paralysis. It kills your momentum before the day even begins. Here is how you curate your day. Review the list, identify 3 to 5 critical tasks you must accomplish, and click the star icon next to them. As you can see in this homepage view, those specific tasks are extracted and isolated into your Key Tasks widget. This curation feature visually strips away the noise of long-term projects. It forces you to focus entirely on a clear, actionable signal for the next 8 hours. Alongside those distinct business tasks, you also need to track your ongoing daily routines. That happens here in the Habits widget on your main dashboard. The structure is split into 2 levels: broad parent categories like morning routine or supplements, and the specific actionable subtasks nested underneath them. As you execute your routine, sequentially check off the subtasks. Watch the progress bar advance. There's a strict completion rule. The parent habit won't register as complete, turning green, until every single subtask is checked off. Integrating habit tracking directly into your CRM ensures your personal health and foundational routines receive the exact same weight as your business productivity. At the end of the day, you execute your wind-down protocol using either the dashboard's voice journaling widget or your Telegram bot. You simply record a short audio reflection, state exactly what went well today, and detail the specific areas where you struggled. The dashboard processes your entry to generate an instant analytical summary. Using this toggle, you can quickly swap between a summary view and the raw transcript of your original audio. This is a deliberate, highly effective training mechanism. By logging your daily reflections, you teach the AI your behavioral patterns, evolving your system into a highly personalized coach that understands your specific habits and bottlenecks. Let's review the completed workflow. A random thought you had on the go was captured, prioritized, and executed without any manual friction. As a result, your mind is clear, your dashboard accurately reflects reality, and your daily health habits were maintained. By running this pipeline every day, you build a sovereign memory. Your database is accumulating a valuable, privately owned context of your life. Mastering your tasks and habits turns your dashboard into a self-improving life engine. Next, we will cover how to connect live Google Sheets data to your Finance Pulse to track your net worth in real time. Click the next video to set that up.